Hello guys, now we are going to learn HTTP protocol in Wireshark Labs. First, as you know, first start up your browser and open Wireshark. First, you need to open Wireshark. Open Wireshark and select the current network you are using. Yes, my Wi-Fi is running as you see here. I have selected Wi-Fi. Then just click on this link. Then there one action will occur. Then just stop. This is the first process to solve the below questions here you may see. Then now let's get started to solve those questions. I think you have already captured the packets. Now just filter it by HTTP. Here see four responses we got. Now get ready to solve the questions. First question is your browser running HTTP version 1 or 1.1? What version of HTTP is server running? Okay, open Wireshark. And what type of version running? This is a version 1.1. Here you may say 1.1, version 1.1. You can look here or here also HTTP 1.1. Here 1.1 nothing but the HTTP version. The for first one, the solution is 1.1. In what language does your browser indicate that it can accept this to the server? Means your browser, what language it will accept. Just select hypertext protocol, then go down. It accept language English US. You may see our server will accept, our browser will accept English as the default language here. And third question is what is the IP address of your computer of the GSAACS Mass Education Server? Means here they are asking what is our IP address. Just go Internet Protocol Commission. Here not here source address. This is the our IP address, and this is the destination servers of that GMAS server. Now fourth question, what is the status code written from the server to the browser? What status code? If not found, it will return 404. If okay, then it will run 200. Here you can see 200. Or here you can select here version 1.1 and 200 connection over. And 203 means update. 204 not found. See, 404 not found. And 505 means server error. You need to remember these codes as well as. Now another question. Okay. When was the HTML file that you are trying last modified the server? When it was modified, we need to check. That's very simple. First select this is the first packet. It will be available on second packet. Last modified it was Sunday 24 September 2023 at time 5 at evening. You may see a GMT RN. Now how many bytes of contents are being written to your browser here? How many bytes are written to my browser? Content length, check the content length. That is 128. 128 is the content length. Another one is by inspecting the raw data in the packet window, do you see any headers within the data? In HTTP, there is no headers. For UDP and TCP, they are 4 or 5. For UDP, 4 and TCP for 5 headers. For seventh question, no. Thanks for watching, guys.